In a combustion reaction, a fuel reacts with oxygen to produce heat as well as a couple of different gases and stuff like that. So in a generic combustion reaction, for example, the burning of like a campfire or wood or something along those lines, the oxygen comes from the atmosphere. And in the atmosphere, there's not very much oxygen. It's about 20% oxygen, and when you take into account that the oxygen gets pulled out and then the majority of what's left around it is nitrogen, it is not very efficient, the amount of oxygen that actually comes in contact with the wood, which allows it to combust. So, how do you make this better? That is done through an oxidizing agent. In this particular reaction, the reactants are potassium nitrate and sugar. Potassium nitrate is the oxidizer, and sugar, as a hydrocarbon, is the fuel. So the potassium nitrate, when it reacts with the sugar, gets broken up into the potassium and the oxygen. And in each molecule of potassium nitrate, there are three oxygen atoms. So in this case, the oxygen is right there in the reaction, and so we do not have to wait for the oxygen or the atmosphere to replenish the oxygen, as well as there is more oxygen than is readily available in the atmosphere. So when these chemicals or these substances are put in close proximity with each other, they can react much more efficiently and easily than a hydrocarbon with the air. Since the two reactants, the potassium nitrate and the sugar, are both solids, and three out of the four products, the water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen gas, are gases, that the reaction creates a large amount of gas compared to the small amount of solid because gas fills a larger volume. So because these gases have such or take up such a larger volume than the solids that they come from, this reaction with its rapid reaction rate creates a rapid expansion of gases, which gives this material, the rocket fuel that we have created, its explosive properties.
Can't really see it. Wait for it.
Gosh darn it.